anybody still working? Are you working or are you just not doing anything? All right, go ahead and have a seat. All right, so this is saying, it's kind of an algebra talk, aka number talk. It says when x is 6. So if x is 6, what is 6 plus 4? All right, so what does this equal?
10.
Haley? 10. All right, if, what is 7 minus 6? Raise your hand. Cora?
1.
What is 6 squared? Michaela?
35.
And what is 1/3 times 6? Brenna? 2. All right, how do we do with those? Okay. If you got any of them wrong, please make sure you make the adjustment on your paper. All right, so this is just kind of practicing having expressions and solving for that variable. All right, it's kind of helping us move into what we're going to be doing next, which tomorrow, if I correct, wrong. So I will let you know tomorrow you're doing a gallery walk. You're going to do some PEMDAS notes, and then you have like.
Oh no.
Oh, God.
It's so fun. Oh my
No. Wait before you shoot the messenger. So you're going to be working with your team, and whoever gets them all correct gets something special. But I will let you know there are negative numbers on it.
No.
Yes. No, this box of Reese's is.
Oh my gosh.
Well, now that you made me do that, it's empty because I've already taken them away so that nobody will take them from me. Look what you did.
Yeah, look what you did. I never gave her that box.
You did not.
I said, look what you did, Cooper.
I did.
You did nothing.
I did nothing.
Look, she says her one is right.
I don't know what that is. That's glass.
Bulletproof glass.
Oh my god, that's a lot of
Bulletproof glass.
I guarantee I could.
You did break the frame now.
Oh. Cooper, Wait, so the glass is stronger than the frame?
Yeah.
That's how life works.
No, he's 3.
Yeah, that's
Alright, so sorry. But yeah, so that's what's going on for the next couple of days. PEMDAS essentially is how you solve expressions and how you're going to solve equations. And hopefully the majority of us are good to go with PEMDAS. It's just going to be a refresher. Alright, so 6.2, it says lemon sales and heights. So Lynn set up a lemonade stand. She sells the lemonade for 50 cents per cup. Complete the table to show how much money she would collect if she sold each number of cups. Alright, so I want you to complete the table and then stand up when you are finished. you're just doing A. Just doing A only. You are still working, you are thinking too hard. All right, have a seat. So why did I say if you were still working, you were working too hard? Michaela? Yes and no. There's a more logical reasoning. Jackson.
Well, you really have to do it, or what I did is just divide by 2.
Right, it's just halving these two numbers, right? So half of 12 is 6. Alright, so it's gonna cost $6. And then half of 18 is what? 9. No, listen to my question. Don't try to speak over me. So half of 18 is 9, and half of 3 is what?
1.5.
1.5. So if you do it that way, it should have taken you how long? 20 seconds? Don't always make it rough or make it hard. Make it easy. Alright, so then this last one, what would it look like? If you had to make a guess, what would this expression look like? Cora?
Just C.
Not C, because what are we, so with this, what did we multiply? Like, so the C stands for what? The number of cups. So we took the number of cups and multiplied it technically by 0.5 or 50 cents. So then what if we took 12 and plugged it in for C, and we took 183 and plugged it in for C. So what is our expression going to look like? Think about what we did yesterday. What did we multiply? Like, what's the price per cup?
50 cents.
Okay, so I'm going to do 50 cents times what?
2.
Nope.
Well, half.
Nope. Shh. Why are you calling out? I will send you out, my child. That'll be points off. So, again, 50 cents per what?
Cup.
Who said it? Y'all, stop calling out. Let people think and work through. Alright, so then you should have 50 cents times C or 50 cents C. Alright, so how many cups did she sell if she collected $127.50? Be prepared to explain your reasoning. So go ahead and complete this one. And you actually have to show work this time, or explain what you did to get to that answer. about 10 more seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so a couple of different answers that I saw in a couple different ways that you came up with your answer. So one, how many of you guys divided by 2? I know I saw people, it's not a big deal, I just want to know, how many of you guys divided by 2 to start with?
I didn't.
Okay, how many of you guys used addition? Okay, how many of you guys use multiplication? All right, so we essentially have 3 different ways that people have come up with an answer for this question. Now, those of you who divided by 2 to start with, it was Michaela, Rena, and Ethan. What made you divide by 2?
I did all 3 ways just to check my answer, but I really divided by 2 because each was 50 cents. Wait, so I multiplied by 2. That's why I did all 3 ways.
And that's okay, because even talking through, you're realizing that probably shouldn't be divided by 2, right? But we get in habits of completing a question like this where you divide by 2, divide by 2, so we automatically jump down here and do what? Divide by 2. What is our actual problem though? What operation are we doing in our problem? Jack? We're doing multiplication, so naturally that is technically what you should be doing. So if you added these, or if you multiply this by 2, you end up getting 255 cups. That is your answer. Okay? So either way, whether you add, whether you multiply, it doesn't matter. Still is technically it's the same thing, but your answer for this one should be 255. All right, slide over to the next chart. It says Elena is 59 inches tall. Some of the people are taller than Elena. Complete the table to show the height of each person. All right, so this is saying how much taller than Elena. So you have 4, you have 6.5, and you have obviously the unknown number. And this is in inches. So it's 4 inches taller, it's 6.5 inches taller, and then it's unknown number of inches taller. All right, answer that. I'm gonna let you work with your group members this time. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to get this chart filled out. Work with your group members.
The first one's 45 inches because it's 40 meters. The first one.
Yeah.
65 meters.
65. Wait, the first one's 65.
Yeah. All right. And then the next one would be 59 meters.
Slow down.
Yeah, I'm not.
What if you 65.55? 65 and a half. Yeah. You will be.
Oh yeah, there's 89 meters.
Oh, you would put what? Right next to each other.
You have a question?
Oh, so you didn't eat all of them.
No, I told him I told him refrigerator super cold. I can't eat it.
Stop answering.
We answer A and B.
You get food.
What's the one for
Do sour anything. I do sour anything. I don't do spicy anything. But I love it. But I love Mexican food.
No. Avocados.
It's 63
He's 59 inches. Don't like spicy.
Why would that even go
That's more about our food.
Are we
The greatest thing is the taco with avocado.
I'm gonna assuming since everybody is talking about other things than math, we are good to go. So, have a seat. What is your answer for Andre? Raise your hand. Caleb. All right. What is your answer for Lynn? Olivia. And what is our expression? Jackson.
I did 59 plus B, or B plus
Okay. So essentially you just simply added 4 to 59 and 6.5 to 59. So if we're looking at B, it says if Noah is 64 and 3/4 inches tall, how much taller is he than Elena? So with this one, are we adding or are we subtracting? Subtracting. So we're going to do 64 and 3/4 minus 59. Raise your hand, tell me what do you get? Corbin.
5 3/4.
5 3/4. So he is 5 3/4 inches taller. Alright, so 6.3. You are working in your groups to answer number 1, all of them. Flip your paper over. Number 2, all of them. Number 3, all of them. Number 4, all of them. You are coming to show me your answers. Then you are working on Imagine Math. Oh no, you're getting your food out. Huh, I forgot. It's been so long since we didn't open up. This gross thing. You're getting it cool down when you're done. Go!
It's 15/7, and then X plus 5.
You're actually working together, not being rude.
Okay. She's 5
Yes,
years
you
old.
don't talk to you. You can look sideways. It's fine. It's still on you.
No, it will be
You
X.
giving them the answers maybe doesn't help.
No, it's 5 years.
Does it?
Because Claire's name